UW Information Technology, University of Washington. UW Campus, Seattle aerial shot. Text is, a connected university is essential to the work of UW students, faculty and staff, and to world-class research. Image of suspicious character in darkness with computer. Text is, but malicious attacks against the UW network put personal and university data at risk. Image suggestive of data being locked. Calendar showing April with the 24th date circled. Text is, that's why UW-IT is making security enhancements starting 4/24/18 to protect data on the UW network. UW campus in Seattle, aerial shot juxtaposed with woman in a home or hotel smiling and typing on a laptop. Text is, if you connect to UW network resources from home, a coffee shop, or anywhere outside the UW network, this may impact you. Image of a protective shield with the letters VPN and a check mark. Text is, if your need for remote file access involves using a remote desktop app or network file sharing app, starting 4/24/18, you'll need a UW-issued VPN, Virtual Private Network. Simple diagram to show connections for what would be the open internet and a private network. Text is, what is a VPN? It's simply an application that provides a secure connection to the UW network for remote use. You may already have a UW VPN. Computer server cluster with protective shield imagery. Text is, where can you get a UW VPN? Some departments provide their own, so consult with your IT team if applicable. Clinical personnel sitting at a table with a laptop computer. Text is, UW Medicine staff should use the Pulse Secure VPN. Contact mcsos@uw.edu. Image of young woman working in an open-air coffee shop with forest behind her. Text is, UW-IT offers a free VPN called Husky OnNet for current students, faculty, and staff. IT Connect website homepage showing Husky OnNet VPN link circled. Text is, go to IT Connect to learn more about Husky OnNet. Image of a man surrounded by UW-related websites. Text is, you won't need a UW VPN for email, uw.edu web pages, Google Drive, Office 365, Workday, Canvas, Dropbox, or FTP, among others. Up-close image of laptop, tablet, and 2 smartphones. Text is, if your remote work requires a UW VPN, install and use it on each device, both UW and personally owned, that you use to connect to the UW network from off-campus. First, a line drawing of a protective shield with letters VPN titled UW Virtual Private Network, and second, line drawing of a computer server titled Remote File Access. Text is, first, you'll connect to the UW network with your UW VPN, and then you'll use your remote desktop or file sharing app. Calendar showing April with the 24th date circled. Text is, remember, if you use remote desktop or file sharing apps from remote locations, you will be required to first use a UW VPN to connect to the UW network starting April 24, 2018. Final slide. New email window addressed to help@uw.edu. Text is, questions? Email help@uw.edu.